Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to review a power bank. The brand name is Romoss and I believe this is a very popular brand out there. And the model is Sense 8 and I also believe this is the latest model. And according to the package, it has a rating of 30,000 milliamp hour. Now take note of that because 30,000, that's a very powerful power bank. Supposed to be, it can charge my phone with a capacity of 4,700 milliamp hour at least 6 times without the need of recharging this kind of power bank. And it's very affordable, really. No? When I saw it in one of the e-commerce site, less than 400 pesos and it's 30,000. This is the packaging of Romoss Power Bank. And it's not bad, it's really good. Now let's try to open this one and see what's inside. Using a cutter, I will cut it slowly. Removing the plastic now. I have to cut that sticker. And yep, there you have it. A 30,000 milliamp hour power bank by Romoss. Looks good. I like the color black. Of course, the usual one comes with the manual, how to use it, and some precautions. The USB cable. With this kind of power bank, you would expect it to be a little heavy. And yep, it's 482 grams, close to half a kilo. And look at that, it has different ports. So, those ports that you can see on the left side, those three, are the ports you are going to use when you are charging the power bank. And the two other ports, the USB type that you can see on the right side, are the ones you are going to use when charging your phone. So you can see two markings there. They are called the amp. So you see 1 amp and the other one is 2 amp. So what's the difference? The 2 amp is what we call the fast charging. So very useful. I'm starting to like this power bank now. Now let's try and turn it on. So far so good. Let me get a USB cable and let's try if the power bank is charging. There's a light. Yep, it's charging. Did you see that? So the power bank is almost full, and that's good. Now let's try to charge my phone. Yep, it's also charging. That's the charging sign. Everything looks so good so far with this power bank. I'm starting to like it. Really nice. Uh-oh, what was that? What was that? What's that noise inside? Uh-oh. Let's think. First, it could just be a screw. However, how could be a small screw would cause that kind of sound? It's impossible. Second, it could be the battery. One of the batteries got detached, and that's not really good. And so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to disassemble this power bank. And together, let's see what's causing this kind of noise inside. And this should be very interesting. So let's begin the disassemble process. Let me check the sides on how to open this one. Okay, looks tight. Seems there's no opening. So I will have to push my way in to open this power bank. Okay, and I have to be very careful. Remember, a power bank, there are batteries inside, there are wirings, there are modules. So I have to be very careful to make sure that it doesn't get damaged. And that's really hard. This is really very tight. And you would expect for any type of power bank. Yeah. Okay, almost there. I can see an opening already. Yep, there's an opening finally. Okay, there you have it. Slowly now, very slowly. Let's use the card to open it up. Okay, slowly. Almost there. I can feel it. I'm almost there. See? Yeah. Okay. Just one more side. And it's open. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did you see that? What's that inside? Is that supposed to be a battery? I don't think so. Okay. What's that? Definitely that's not a battery. I'm not really sure if there's supposed to be something like that inside a power bank. Okay, let's continue open this one. Yeah, looks like metal plate. Huh? Ah! Uh-oh! What's inside this power bank? 4 metal plates? Unbelievable! What's the purpose of this? Now I'm pretty sure those are the ones that's causing the sound. A metal plate inside a power bank? Oh, I have no words, really. I have no words. I don't know what to say. I get surprised. I think I got ripped off. Honestly. I'm starting to think I got ripped off. Well, 4 metal plates. No wonder it feels a little heavy. Well, let's check the weight. Okay, let's get that weighing scale again. Ah, it's over 100 grams. They're supposed to be batteries and not a metal plate. I think what I will do is to check the rated capacity. Remember at the beginning of this video, we saw that the rated capacity of this power bank is supposed to be 30,000 milliamp hour. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to strip this off further and get those batteries and test its capacity. Because the way I see it, there are 8 battery cells. So to make it 30,000, at least this cells is supposed to be what? At least 3, 6, 9, 12, 24, at least 3,500 milliamp hour per cell. So let's begin. First, I will remove the charging module. This should be very easy. Using a small screwdriver, removing those screws should be very easy. Okay, there now. Come on. Oh. I think it's easy, right? Removing screws. Okay. So, I think I can remove the battery now. Yep. By the way, these batteries are what we call, these are not your typical triple or double A batteries. These batteries are what we call the lithium ion batteries. Specifically, these are 18650 batteries. Okay. Let's cut the wire so I can freely move. Okay, I think there's one more screw over there. Let me remove it. Come on now. How could it be very hard to remove screws? Yep, got it. And there you have it. And this is what we call the charging board. And looks pretty neat. Now, these are the batteries. As I mentioned, these are 18650, the lithium ion type of batteries. Okay, now just keep cutting all these wires. Yep, let's cut those remaining wires, detach it from the battery. Okay, that's good. And now let's detach the tubbing wire. So, yep, you can do it like that, easier. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's why it's very important to wear gloves when you're doing this, no? To avoid getting hurt yourself. Okay, done. I think I'm done. Yep, get it all, remove it all. And now let's check using a voltmeter the voltage of each batteries. Okay, so what do we expect? What we expect is that in lithium ion batteries, we will try to figure out if these are still good batteries, and one way to figure this out is to make sure that these batteries does not go below 3.2 volts. So if it's lower than that, then it's a very old batteries and definitely not really good one to use. So let's check one by one. Okay, that's the battery. That's the positive side, the polarity. So the top side, all of those polarity are the positive, and the opposite are the negative. Okay, 3.95 volts. It's good. Yep, another 3.95. Very good. We are so good so far. Yep. 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 Well, at least those 8 batteries are currently at 3.95 volts, and it's really good. It's not bad so far. So let's continue. Now, after the voltmeter test, let me get the tester. Okay, this is the tester. This is what we are going to use to check the rated capacity, the true rated capacity of each of these battery cells. Okay, positive goes on the top and negative goes to the below. And then let me just remove my gloves and change the settings mode to test. Okay, that's it. Yep, looks good so far. Another test that we are going to perform is to check the temperature while it's charging. So it's 41.3, and that's a good sign, because when it's charging an 18650 lithium-ion batteries, what we want is the charging temperature should not go above 50 degrees Celsius. If it is more than that, then that's a very dangerous battery, and it's not really recommended to use it anymore. But since our battery on a charging rate it's still at 41.3, it's really looking good so far. Again, okay, let me feel that by my hand. Almost nothing there. Yep, the tester, it's not so hot also. Batteries looking good. Yep, they're not hot, they're just within the normal range of the temperature when it's charging. So good so far. Now that we have completed our test, as you can see now, all of the buttons of those 4 cells are now green. It indicates that it's complete. And now, this is the very surprising part. Look at that. Can you see the number? It's written 1,300 something only. Remember, I would expect that with those 8 battery cell, I would expect at least one battery cell is at least 3,500 milliamp hour to achieve the rating of 30,000 milliamp hour as indicated on the package. However, as you can see, that's not even half, that's just 1/3. 1,300. Let's check the other cells. Did you see that? Same. Now that I have completed the testing of the 8 battery cell, now let us compute the true rated capacity of this power bank. We have 1,440, we have 1,200, 1,300, another 1,300, 1,200, 1,300, 1,250, and another 1,200, 200 over there. So on average, let's just say it's 1,200 per cell. So 1,200 battery cell times 8. So that's 2,468 plus 1,6, 9,600. Let's just call it 10,000. The true rated capacity of this power bank is only 10,000 milliamp hour versus what they advertise on the packaging as 30,000. That's a big difference. That's only 1/3. Well, now, there you have it. The question now is what I am going to do with this power bank. I have disassembled it already, and it's a waste if I'm not going to do something about it. That's why on my next video, I am going to show you how I will transform this power bank, this disassembled power bank, and I will make something out of this. I do not want my 400 to go to waste, So we will build a DIY projects that we can use in our daily life. So watch out for my next video, and thank you for watching.